Hey guys, and welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, it's been probably about 4 weeks since I've posted a video, so I've just been focused on spending more time with the family and getting stuff done around the house, which has been nice. So this weekend I was basically focusing on the engine again for Nigel, which was great. It feels so good just to be working on the engine now and just edging closer to getting this project finalised. I was pretty lucky, well, very lucky, I should say. My brother was able to come up and give me a hand with the car, with the engine. So part of me, basically, he ran the show and showed me a lot of stuff along the way, and so I learned a lot, which was fantastic. And so basically, we started off just by cleaning all the mating surfaces that we needed to on the block and the head. He also went through and cleaned a lot of the threads on the block and the head. Now, what we found is there are 4 threads on the exhaust manifold that are completely stuffed, so they will need helicoils. So I'll get that done soon. Plus, we also found there is scoring on the cam journals. Not that I'm worried about it at the moment. I'll worry about it down the track. I don't think it's going to cause me any issue now. Funny thing was when we were looking at the engine and doing the seals and everything, the original cam seals had been put on around the wrong way. So look, we went through, replaced the cam seals, front main seal, timing belt, tensioner, water pump, all that kind of stuff. So that's come up really good. So yeah, guys, it was a pretty productive, very long day, but a productive day. So this is basically part one. In a couple of weeks, we'll spin the engine around and we'll start working on the bottom end and getting the oil lines and all that kind of stuff sorted. So really looking forward to that. So guys, enough out of me. Take a look at the video. I apologise for the lack of video in this one. It was just a really busy day and we just got stuck into it. So yeah, but anyway, guys, I hope you like what you see, and stay tuned for the part 2 of this engine work, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Alright guys, well, it's Saturday morning and it's time to get started on the block. Now, as you can see, there's still lots of chunks of masking tape that need to come off. Clean up those surfaces. We're also going to be cleaning up. I've got to get all the paint off here, just clean that up, give it a rough clean up. And all the timing belt and all those bits and pieces will be going back on today. So more masking tape, and I've got all old paper in there that needs to come out. So let's get into that now. Alright guys, as you can see, I've gone through and cleaned up these surfaces. They've come up pretty good. Now, just get you over to this side. They're all being cleaned up. Now, one problem is, had my brother checking all the threads and everything on this. Now, on the exhaust side here, that center one is good, but all 4 threads, remaining 4 threads, they're all cactus, so they'll need helicoils, and so I'll take care of that at a later date. So what we're going to do now is just move on, and I'm going to tape up all these bits, and then we'll move on to the timing belt and get all the water pump and all those bits done. So we'll do that now. Alright guys, welcome back. It's actually the next day now, so everything went well yesterday. So I thought I would give you guys a bit of an update on how we went. As discussed, all these mating surfaces were all cleaned. I had paint all over those, so they're all cleaned up now, which is good, ready to go. That's how it looks with the white rocker covers. I don't know if I'm convinced yet, but I think it looks alright. The inlet manifold, I just wanted to just put on there roughly just to have a look, just to see how that all looks. It'll look better with some nice beautiful twin Webbers coming off there. Water pumps all done, front main seals done, tensioner, belt, cam seals, all that's good. I do need to replace the rocker cover gaskets. They're all a bit gnarly. Now all these, I need to get plugs for these where the injectors sat. I think there's caps or something you can purchase aftermarket or something to block those off. That rear water pipe's on. I wasn't worried about this. I'm not trying to get everything absolute picture perfect. It's on the back of the motor. I'm not worried about it. So that's all good. I just need to give this a clean up. That's a bit ugly, or I might get something, a nice machined one to just get that looking a bit nicer. All these need to be replaced. These are just sitting on here for now. And I need to get 6 replacement bolts for that. They're a bit manky. Yeah, so that's pretty much where we got to. This is part 1. Part 2 in a couple of weeks. We're actually gonna roll the engine over, and we'll do the sump, the oil pickup, the sump, check all the threads, and get all that buttoned up. So that's all good. Just got to put the water housings and things like that on the back. And roughly in 2 weeks' time, I think we're also going to mate the gearbox up and get this onto the engine hoist. And we might work towards putting that into the car. But we'll just wait and see how it all pans out. Anyway, guys, look, thanks for watching. I know this is just a bit of a minor update on how it's all going, but this is a big step forward for the car, which I'm absolutely stoked about. So big thumbs up to my brother for helping me with this. Otherwise, otherwise I wouldn't have gotten this far. So, yeah, good stuff. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to let me know what you think of the white rocker covers on the blue engine. Yeah, look, not everything, all the colours you choose are to everyone's liking, but that's just life, isn't it? And I've got to get some better covers, front covers for these. Mine are all a bit manky and cut up and, yeah, a bit rough, so I'll have to get some good replacements of those. Alright, guys, like I said, look, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.